Today, we're going to dive into 20 lazy minimalism hacks to simplify your kitchen and cooking routine. Number 1. Pre-sort ingredients. Organizing your kitchen starts with sorting ingredients based on their usage frequency or meal type. Implement a system using clear, airtight containers, each labeled by content and best before dates. This hack not only saves time during meal preparation, but also helps you keep track of your pantry inventory, preventing over-purchasing and minimizing waste. Consider dedicating specific shelves or cabinets for different categories like baking supplies, spices, and snacks, making them easy to locate and replenish as needed. Number 2. One-pot meals. One-pot meals are a minimalist dream. These dishes require minimal cookware and preparation, simplifying cooking and cleaning processes. Expand your recipe repertoire to include a variety of soups, stews, casseroles, and skillet meals. These meals often have the added benefit of improving flavors when left to simmer, and many can be easily adapted to whatever ingredients you have on hand, making them perfect for end-of-week cooking. Number 3. Batch cooking. Set aside a few hours each week to prepare multiple meals in one go. Batch cooking not only saves time but also ensures you have healthy, home-cooked meals on hand throughout the week. Freeze portions in labeled containers for longer storage, or keep them in the fridge for easy access during busy days. This approach also allows you to buy ingredients in bulk, which can be more economical and reduce packaging waste. Number 4. Use multi-purpose appliances. Select appliances that offer multiple functions to save space and reduce clutter. A good food processor, for instance, can chop, slice, blend, and even knead dough. Instant pots, air fryers, and versatile blenders can replace a host of single-function devices. Research appliances that match your cooking style and space constraints, investing in quality over quantity. Number 5. Implement a capsule pantry. Curate a minimalist pantry stocked with versatile staples that can be mixed and matched to create a wide array of dishes. Staples might include various grains, legumes, a basic set of spices, oils, vinegars, and canned goods. This approach encourages creativity with simple ingredients and reduces the temptation to buy unnecessary specialty items. Number 6. Magnetic spice racks. Install a magnetic spice rack on an empty wall or the side of a refrigerator. This storage solution saves counter and cabinet space, keeps spices in sight and organized, and adds a decorative element to your kitchen. Label each spice jar clearly and arrange them in alphabetical order or by frequency of use. Number 7. Pre-cut vegetables. Whether you buy pre-cut vegetables or chop them yourself, keeping them ready to use in clear containers is a time saver. This is particularly helpful for quick meals or adding to dishes on the fly. Doing the prep work all at once also means less cleanup during the week. Number 8. Digitize recipes. Use apps or digital notes to manage your recipes. This eliminates physical clutter and makes it easy to pull up a recipe on your device while cooking. Many apps also allow you to input ingredients you have on hand to find suitable recipes, which is excellent for minimizing food waste. Number 9. Simplify utensils. Evaluate your utensils and keep only those you use regularly. For example, a high-quality chef's knife can do most of the cutting jobs without needing a dozen different knives. Choose tools that are durable and versatile, and donate or recycle duplicates or rarely used items. Number 10. Use drawer dividers. Drawer dividers help keep kitchen tools organized and easily accessible. This is particularly useful for utensils like measuring spoons, spatulas, and other small tools that can become cluttered. Organized drawers streamline the cooking process and reduce time spent searching for items. Number 11. Streamline dishware. Keep a minimal set of dishes, glasses, and cutlery that reflects the size of your household plus a few extras for guests. This not only saves space but also makes it easier to manage dishes on a daily basis. Choose versatile pieces that can be used for multiple types of meals and opt for quality materials that will last. Number 12. Single cleaning agent. Choose a versatile, effective cleaning agent that can be used across various surfaces. This simplifies shopping and keeps under-sink areas uncluttered. Look for eco-friendly options that are effective without being harmful to the environment. Number 13. Hang pots and pans. Consider installing a hanging rack for pots and pans. This can dramatically free up cabinet space and add an attractive element to your kitchen decor. It also makes it easier to spot and grab what you need without rummaging through stacked cookware. Number 14. Automated grocery list. Use apps that automate your grocery list based on frequent purchases or meal plans. This technology can help you keep track of what you need, alert you to sales, and even remind you when it's time to restock essentials. Number 15. Label everything. Labeling is not just for professional kitchens. It can greatly enhance efficiency in home kitchens as well. Use clear, waterproof labels on everything from spice jars to storage bins and freezer meals. This will help you quickly find what you need, track when it was stored, and determine its shelf life. Labels can also help household members become more independent in the kitchen by making it clear where everything belongs. Number 16. Integrate meal planning. Dedicate time each week to plan your meals. This practice not only saves time during the week, but also helps ensure a balanced diet and reduces the likelihood of impulse buys at the grocery store. You can use meal planning apps that suggest recipes based on your dietary preferences and what you already have in your pantry, which is fantastic for both budgeting and waste reduction. Number 17. Minimalist baking kit. If you occasionally bake, streamline your supplies. Keep essentials like a mixing bowl, a set of measuring spoons and cups, a baking sheet, and a versatile mixing tool. Store your baking ingredients together and consider multi-purpose ingredients that work in multiple recipes. This focused approach prevents clutter from items that are used infrequently and makes the baking process more straightforward when you do decide to whip up a treat. Number 18. Reusable storage. Shift to reusable storage solutions such as glass containers, silicone bags, and beeswax wraps. These sustainable products not only help reduce plastic waste, but are also better for storing food safely. They can go from the fridge to the microwave or oven and often come in transparent or semi-transparent materials, making it easy to see what's inside without needing to open them. Number 19. Clear out regularly. Maintain a schedule for decluttering your kitchen space. This could be seasonally or in alignment with major cleaning times like spring cleaning. During these sessions, remove items that you haven't used in the past year, check for expired items, and reassess your kitchen layout. Regular decluttering helps to keep your kitchen functional and enjoyable to use, and can often remind you of what you have, leading to more creative and varied meal preparation. Number 20. Celebrate minimalist cooking. Challenge yourself to create meals with a limited number of ingredients. This not only simplifies shopping and preparation, but also encourages creativity in the kitchen. Try hosting a 5-ingredient feast night where you and possibly friends or family come up with recipes that use only 5 ingredients. This can become a fun way to enjoy cooking and appreciate the essence of each ingredient. These 20 lazy minimalism hacks for your kitchen aim to streamline your cooking process, organize your space, and reduce waste, all while keeping your culinary activities enjoyable and stress-free. By incorporating these strategies, you can transform your kitchen into a minimalist, efficient, and inviting space that encourages culinary creativity and simplifies your daily routine.